And yeah, I'm a little bit more than what it would cost to rent a brush mower. But when you rent something from a store like that, you've got to go pick it up, you've got to put gas in it, and you've got to run it. So sure, you've rented that machine for the weekend. That's your weekend now, isn't it? You're not sitting back drinking a beer.
In this episode, visit Lambscaping RI, a totally different approach to yard maintenance that uses goats and sheep to clear away the debris.
We met with owner Russell Jennings to find out the how, the why, and the what behind this environmentally conscious venture.
We are an organic landscaping service that specializes in brush removal and the removal of invasive species. I use a mixed herd of goats and sheep because between the two of them, they kind of lick the platter clean. They clear everything from the ground to about 3 feet. They use no carbon, they use no gas, there's no exhaust, and when they're done, the lawn is fertilized. One of the great things is they don't mind terrain, so if you've got, say, a rugged rock wall that's so covered with ivy you can't even see if there's ground, doesn't matter. When they're done, they've cleared every leaf. They tend to trample branches and brush into the ground, and in addition to killing the plant we're aiming at, that also restores the nitrogen and the biomass to the soil in a way that if you were to mow and you take that mulch away, most people who mow don't leave the clippings on the lawn. These guys turn it into fertilizer, leave it on the lawn, then they mush it in so that it gets into the ground where it belongs. They can clear out an acre in a week, depending on how heavily grown it is. The kind of stuff that you need heavy-duty leather gloves, they'll tear it up. First, you get a goat quote, which is I show up and take a look at your property and see what there is. I normally go there ahead of time and set up the electric fence in the first area that's going to be grazed. I back the trailer up to the fence and open it, and it's full of fresh green grass, and so they all just jump out, and that's it.
Want to be featured on the show? Contact us at info@riserec.com or call 401-308-3279.